Yeah, after a hard day walk, guys, what I was doing in the garden today, it take me hours, but I'm grateful. I had a peace of mind. I enjoy all the benefit I received today, which is a peace of mind, exercising, so physically, mentally, and spiritually. I enjoy the whole day. I'm telling you, it's hours and hours I spent in this garden today. And I was able to do a lot of work. If you notice, I clean up, I mow up, because if you notice, the rain is coming and there's a lot of weed growing up, so you can't allow the weed to take over the garden. So I was all here within these edos, this edo patch right here. If you see, I clean up, I add soil around their root. I have this area left that I have to clean up. I have some potato down there that I have to clean up. But all in this area here, guys, you can see the fresh dirt that now mold up around the plants them. You can see everything. It takes me hours to actually clean up this garden, but I'm grateful, thanks to the Creator, for able to maintain this garden in a physical form instead of me using different things. I'm grateful to able to do it, because I'm telling you, it takes a lot to maintain a garden like this. These are root crop, and these root crop, you cannot just plant them and leave them. You always got to be adding soil to their root, because the soil is what they push out their crop, their root crop into. So the more soil you add, you stand a chance of getting more harvest. But the truth is, guys, it's a lot of work to maintain these type of garden. But why I prefer these type of garden is because the exercise. And then you come behind here and the birds, you hear the birds them chirping. You hear, the song of nature is such an amazing thing. So look at the garden. The garden is well cleaned up. Even though I'm not finished, it's well cleaned up. The plants them looking really healthy and nice. Still have more work to do, guys. Still have more. But I did so much today that I feel so good. Yes, I feel so good. Lot of work, guys, all day. All day, guys. Okay, all day, guys. All up here. I mowed up this bed. I have some herb growing in this bed. Sage, rosemary, ginger, parsley. Over here, guys, this is burdock. I clean up this whole area here. I mowed up these okra coming up over here, guys. It's a lot I did today, guys, and I'm so grateful to have the strength, and I'm so grateful to able to motivate myself to get this work done, guys. I'm so grateful, because guys, sometimes you have to motivate yourself. You cannot depend on others to motivate you, because sometimes it just don't work. All right? If you can't motivate yourself, how others gonna motivate you? Then if they don't have your best interests, then you're not gonna be motivated. So you have to learn to motivate yourself. So by me motivating myself, guys, I was able to come out here today, mow up all these plants. You know how much plants I mow up today, guys? You know how much plants? Hundreds of plants I mow up today. Bend my back all day. Sometimes I sit down and I take a break, and then I get right back to it. So I'm so grateful to able to do this, guys. I'm so grateful because I believe in growing garden natural. I don't believe in spraying anything to keep down no weed. I prefer doing it. So by me doing it, great exercise, peace of mind, enjoy the spirituality that you receive in the garden. Enjoy nature that you receive in the garden. I'm so grateful. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.